So think back 4,000 years ago, approximately, before there was money. There was still wealth. Like, really think about that. Let that sink in. Before there was money, currency, today it's mostly digital, paper dollars, right? Dollar bills, some coins. 1,000 years ago, it was all coins, gold, silver. Before there was any form of currency that you could hold in your hand, small, right? Cash, coins. The concept, the reality, the energy and manifestation of wealth and power and abundance still existed. So if that's true, which it is, then money and currency, as how we think of it, isn't wealth. Do you get what I'm saying? Because if wealth could exist, which it did, without currency, physical currency, and wealth was measured in a different way, but the idea of it, the reality of it, the influence, impact of it still existed, then it can't be that thing that we now use to measure it. So any currency that you have, cash, coin, today, is a reflection of something more fundamental or more profound, you understand, more principle-based. So if you're going around your entire life associating, as most of us do, and I did for a very long time, associating wealth and being rich with money, currency, physical currency, what you're doing is you're actually misassociating, misunderstanding, and mislabeling what wealth is with one of its effects, reflections, or representations. Do you get what I'm saying? Because before money, we measured wealth how? How many camels you had, how many goats you had, how many horses you had, right? How much land you could hold down, how many people were in your village or your army or whatever, right? But think about it. The idea of wealth was always there. So if how we measure something changes over time, the measurement units are not the thing itself. So what is wealth? What is truly wealth? Think about that.